We feel like he's protected and we're ready to get back to life.
For many families, the vaccine eligibility expansion brings them one step closer to a return to normal. Today, the governor announced a broad expansion of eligibility, allowing some as young as 16 years old to get a vaccine.
The new guidelines expand the pre-existing conditions that will allow people to get vaccinated. Among the more common ailments, obesity, high blood pressure, asthma, and diabetes. Those between ages 16 and 18 can only get the Pfizer vaccine, but anyone 18 and up can get any of the 3 vaccines.
Tonight, Iman Boyd reports on the relief this news brings, but also the work that continues to get people vaccinated.
All right, there you go.
With the eligibility expanding across Louisiana, Chaz Polazola and his mother Bambi got their vaccines.
We feel like he's protected and we're ready to get back to life, sort of as we knew it before the pandemic, and we're hoping that this is just the first step to it.
Chaz, who has autism, receives in-person services through UL's LIFE program, which made it essential for him to be vaccinated as soon as possible.
It's so important that they continue to receive those services, and that requires them to have staff coming into the home. I'm glad that the state put that as a priority group.
Although eligibility is expanding, those most vulnerable are finding themselves having issues because of limited access.
Awesome. Well, you're all set.
For those who may not have viable resources to set up a vaccine appointment, the COVID vaccine virtual service is filling that gap.
A lot of people in our community don't have a computer, or they're not proficient in working a computer. So this gives them another avenue to be able to get a vaccine and have somebody actually help them and walk them through it.
Stacy Conrad and other volunteers with the COVID vaccine call center are working around the clock to schedule appointments to keep up with the demand of those who want to get vaccinated.
I believe we booked over 40 appointments on Sunday. Yesterday we booked over 50, and then just today we've booked over 100 and over 200 appointments in 3 days, and we still have people on the phones right now working and booking appointments.
And for anyone who would like to schedule a COVID-19 vaccine with the call center, we have links posted on our website at KATC.com. Three's on the street in Lafayette. Iman Boyd, KATC TV3.
So far, more than 1.2 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines have been administered here in Louisiana. The Department of Health reporting an additional 102,000 people have received a dose of the vaccine since their last update. More than 448,000 people here in the state receiving both doses. Louisiana